In this lesson, we'll create a control for the collar. So as the neck deforms, we'll instantly run into interpenetration with the collar. So what we need to do is create a control to prevent that from happening. So this won't take much work at all. Let's say we go ahead and create a square-shaped spline, and we could always add that to our grid. Grab the line tool, we'll turn on snapping, and we'll create the control. Alright, sweet. After closing the spline, we'll go ahead and right-click to exit the line tool. We'll also go ahead and turn off snapping, and then I'd like to go ahead and hide the character. From there, we'll use our Quick Align tool to align the position of our control to, let's say, helper A of the neck. Now let's go ahead and bring back the model, just so we could go ahead and take our control and bring this up a bit higher. Great. So this is a good position for it. Next, let's go to our Modify panel. Grabbing all points, we'll go ahead and scale up the shape a bit more. Great. So now it's clear that this is going to control the character's collar. We can add more clarity. Let's go ahead and rename it. It's going to be Enum Color. Nice. From there, we'll go ahead and recolor it. Sweet. Let's also now link it to our chest control. After we've done that, we'll reset it, collapse it down, and now we can go ahead and freeze its transforms. Alright, so now here we have a few options. We can create an envelope object, link it to our control, and kind of follow the same pattern we've been using for the rest of the rig, where we use envelope objects only to envelope our mesh and controls to, of course, animate the model. Or if you wanted to, you can just add this directly to the character's shirt as an envelope object. Really depends on the type of structure you want for your control rig. Either way, it's going to work just fine. So what I'll do is just go ahead and add this as an envelope object. With the shirt selected, we'll head over to our Modify panel. Now, let's say we go ahead and go to our skin modifier. There we go. We'll go ahead and click Add. And now it's time to search for our new control. So that's Enum _ color. Let's choose select. Alright, sweet. So skinning should go by very quickly. We'll enter into edit envelope mode. We'll go to wireframe mode, and we'll select the points along the collar and right at the base of the neck as well. So let's just go ahead and marquee select to grab all the points that we'll need to reweight. There we go. And we'll deselect any that we should not have selected. Let's hold down Alt and deselect a few points just to make sure that these points that we deselect will not be weighted to our new control. Alright, sweet. Just a few more to remove. That looks good. So from here, we can then go ahead and move to our weight table. There it is. Let's go ahead and select all points. We'll search for our new envelope object. There it is, Enum color. Let's go ahead and set the weight to 1. Now it's time to test this out. I'll go ahead and go back to shaded mode. Let's go ahead and select our control, and let's start to move it. And take a look, we're now deforming the collar. So as the neck starts to deform, watch, we now have a way of making sure that the collar will not intersect. And animators can also have the collar deform in a natural way now. So as the neck moves, we can start to animate the collar in a way that would be natural, right? Cool stuff. Alright, so that's it for this lesson. I'll go ahead and use transform to 0 to bring that back. I'll do the same thing for the head control. Sweet. we are just about finished with our control rig. In the next lesson, we'll move to the clavicles. And then once we've wrapped those up, we'll then go ahead and move to the arms, elbows, and the hands. And then we just have a few more things to talk about before we close off the course.